How to find the old Discord servers that you left. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find the old Discord servers that you left. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, simply head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up your Discord. After you open it up, head over to the U page on the bottom right. After you're there, tap on the gear icon on the top right. Now after you're here, you should find an option called Data and Privacy or Privacy and Safety. Simply head over there. And after you're on that page, you should see an option that says Request all of my data. Now all you have to do is tap on Request all of my data, and as it says right here, it may take them 30 days to collect your data, and they will send you an email after they have just collected your data. So simply tap on Request my data. Now they will send you an email with all of your data, including the old Discord servers that you left. And yeah, that is basically it guys. That is how you find the old Discord servers that you left. And thanks for watching. That is all for the video.